In this video, I'll be making pineapple ginger chicken stir fry. I'm going to start by prepping all the ingredients. First, I'm draining 1 can of pineapple. Then, I'm mixing in 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon to the pineapple juice. I'm grating 1 tablespoon of ginger. I'm chopping 1 small onion and mincing 2 garlic cloves. Then I'm cutting a 500 grams chicken breast into cubes. You can cut the pieces as big of a cube as you would like, but try not to cut them smaller than an inch. Next, I'm going to heat some vegetable oil in a medium-sized pot to cook the rice. I like to toast the rice grains first before adding water. I'm adding salt to the rice and toasting it for about 3 minutes. Then I'm adding 2½ cups of water to the rice, covering the pot and letting the water come to a boil. Once the water is boiling, I'll reduce the heat on the pot and cover again without disturbing the rice. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. I'm checking the bottom of the pot to make sure the rice absorbed all the water, which it did, and I can turn off the heat. If you can still see water at the bottom, cover the pot and let the rice cook for another minute. Now for the chicken, I'm heating some vegetable oil in a pan before adding the chicken. I cook the chicken and the rice at the same time, checking on both, but for editing purposes I have to show you both separate. After about 5 minutes, I'm removing the chicken from the pan. It won't be cooked all the way through yet. In the same pan, I'm going to saute the onion, ginger, and garlic until golden. Then I'm adding the juice mixture into the pan with the chicken and pineapple. By the way, I cut the pineapple into chunks before adding it to the pan, which I forgot to film. After letting the juice mixture boil and cook with the chicken, I noticed it wasn't thickening. So I'm adding a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed in with water to the pan. After adding the cornstarch, the stir fry thickened, and now I can remove it from the pan and start plating.